Right hand, bend, come up, right? That's it, just like that. Oh. Good try. Good, good. Gotta get bend more. That's it. Okay. Watch your grip. Well, bend and come up. Good. Get the vertical. Good. Perfect. Good. That's it. Good. Feel like the power is when you're coming up. Right?
Sorry.
The power should feel like when you're coming up to the ball. That's it. Now close it. That's it, Al. Good. Up. Under and up. Under, up. Okay, get lower. Good, Al. Watch your finish. Okay. Watch your finish. Good. Under and up. Good. Under and up. Yeah, do it again. Watch your finish. Good. That's it. Up. Good. Good. Soften the hands a little bit. Great. Soft. Good. Soft. Good. Keep it loose. Okay, watch your finish. Good. Watch your finish. Come on now. Okay. Good. Right hand does all the work. That's it. The left hand is relaxed. Yes. Okay. Down. Good. Drop, bend, bend, and up. Good. Perfect. Bend, up. Good. Bend, up. Good. That's where the power is coming from, Al, right?
From the legs.
From the legs. Right? From the legs. Good. Good. So it's to the legs, right? Okay, close it. Bend. Great. Watch your finish. Good. Bend. Right hand. Good. Two more. Close it. Couple more. Good. Okay. That was pretty good, huh?